In today's video, I'm going to teach you changing language in Google Sheets. If your Sheets interface isn't in the language you prefer, the key is to change your Google account's display language. This setting lives in Google Drive and applies across Google services, including Sheets, Docs, and Drive, so you'll get a consistent experience everywhere. Start by opening Google Drive at drive.google.com. In the top right corner of the page, click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Google keeps your account level preferences that control how the interface looks and behaves. Inside Settings, look to the left sidebar and choose General. Scroll until you find the Language section, then click Edit or Change Language. You'll see your current language and an option to add others. Use the search box to find the language you want, for example, English, and add it to your list. Once it appears, make it your primary language by moving it to the top using the arrow or drag handle, then select it as the main option. The language at the top is the one Google will use for menus, buttons, tooltips, and system messages across services. You can keep additional languages in the list if you switch often. Google will reference them as backups for certain content. These changes usually save automatically, so you don't need to hunt for a separate save button. Now head back to your Google Sheet, refresh the page, or close and reopen the spreadsheet. You should immediately see the interface update to the new language. Menus, dialog boxes, and buttons will reflect your selection, making it easier to navigate if you're more comfortable in that language. A few helpful notes as you make the switch. This change affects the interface, not the text inside your spreadsheet. Your data stays exactly as you entered it, and the content of shared files won't be translated. Depending on your language and region, you may notice that date, time, and number formats follow the new locale, which can be useful for things like decimal separators and currency symbols. In some languages, even function names in Sheets may appear localized. If the interface doesn't update right away, give it a moment, then refresh or reopen the file. A quick page reload typically does the trick, and that's it. You've updated the display language for Google Sheets by changing it in your Google account settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.